Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram reel in real time. So now first we're going to start off by going on this icon. Then we're going to select reel. As you can see now we're on our back camera. If you click this icon here, it's going to take you from your front camera. You record by tapping and holding this. You have 30 seconds. You can set a timer here. You can choose a layout. You can select an effect. Add audio, for example, a song, etc. And then when you're done, you're going to click on next, then next again, and share. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.